my head off then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Good evening, guys. We're back with a video. Today I'm unboxing a package from Mr. Bass 336. He sent me over here to do some reviews or whatnot. So, you know, to let y'all know about the product or whatnot. So, appreciate that, Mr. Bass 336. Be sure to go and follow him down below. I'm gonna leave the link down below to his channel. Follow him on TikTok. I'm gonna leave all of those links down below. So be sure to go over there and thank him for the, you know, me being able to provide this video to y'all, showing y'all this product. You may know about it, you may not. Let's see what we got here. We got the ACRU. That's the audio control bass knob. So we're gonna definitely be doing a review on this right here. We're gonna do an actual open box, then we're gonna do the review as well. So I ain't gonna make y'all wait long. That way y'all can go ahead and get this item in your vehicle, and you know, that way you don't have to deal with the RCAs going out on your bass knob and all that type of stuff. And you know, it's a little more affordable or whatnot, but if you like the bass knob, that'll be great too. You know, but I think this is another option to go with. As y'all can see right there, you got your Cat 5 cable that goes to your, it's like another little box right here, the hub they call it, the ACRU hub. You got the input and output right there for your RCA cables, and you got the remote from the ACRU remote right there. So what you'll do, you'll put the ACRU remote up close to you, then you'll have this other unit back towards the back where the amplifier is, running in, then the out to the amp, and then you'll run this other piece to you. That way you don't have to worry about another set of RCAs getting messed up. So it'll just be the Cat 5 to the remote, just like like the other ones that come with the amplifier, but this is a universal option. So definitely thank you, Mr. Bass 336, for this to review. And we're gonna definitely do a little bit. We're gonna get it out of the box and all of that, not in this video. So that's all we're gonna do with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that to the side. Not right now. And of course we got something else to use. So just send me this right here to use, so we can do a little bit of testing on the impedance rise on this, because we always been talking about the impedance rise. So we're gonna do a little testing on this, and then we're gonna go from there. Appreciate it, Mr. Bass 336. I'm gonna start the review. Y'all be sure to give my follow, give my shout out online as well, TikTok and so forth and so on. I'm gonna be sure to tag them down below. Thank y'all for tuning in.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.